What is happening, boys, and welcome back to the channel. I've got some insane bits to show you today in our third stock drop. We've done box 1, we've done box 2, this is box 3 out of the huge, I think it was like 16 or 17,000 pound order I placed with my supplier. So I'm very, very excited. This is probably my favorite drop out of all of them. We've got some absolutely beautiful pieces, including Ghost this time. So yeah, really excited to show you. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay then, so to start off, we've got the CP Company zip hoodie with the goggles. Absolute classic, really, really nice. It's in like a dark blue colour. We've got this available in 2XL and XL. Then up next, we've got these CP Company knit jumpers in this lovely like ocean blue colour. We got one in small and medium. Trying to get a few more smalls in for you guys, because there's a few people that do want smalls. I don't normally sell them that well, so I'm going to try and get a few more bits in, see if they sell, and we'll have to go from there. But yeah, these are really, really nice, soft material, perfect for that autumn weather we've got coming up right now. Then this absolute banger, bonded linen Ghost piece. It's in this beautiful grey colour. It's new season, newly released. It's a nice heavy jacket for the winter. It's got a tuck away hood. Got the hood out at the moment, as you can see. It's like nylon, but you literally just fold that over, pop it up, and it will fold away. This one's in a large 23, I think it's 23.5 pits a pit or 23 pits a pit. And these retail for £1,335 in shops right now, but I'm obviously going to be selling it way less than that. I think it's on website right now for about $620, and that is brand new with tags as well, so obviously way less than half price there for you guys. Up next, these absolutely gorgeous CP Company hoodies without the zip, and they are brand new as well. So we've got two of these in. We've got in XXL and extra large available. Up next, we've got this beautiful CP Company quarter zip jumper in this like bluey grey colour. This one's a medium, but it's 23 pit to pit. I wear large/XL, and I've tried this on and it fits me really nicely. So I'd say it fits like an XL jumper easily, like, you know, the 23 pit to pit one. If you're a slimmer XL, it will fit you. If you're a bigger XL, 24 pit to pit, it won't fit. But yeah, it's going to be for a large, like a bigger large person, or a slimmer XL. And like I say, as a medium with CP Company, they're coming up bigger than new season stuff, so just bear that in mind. Up next, this lovely mint green Stone Island hoodie. This one's in an XL, and it's 24.5 pit to pit. That will fit very nice for an XL, and it's a lovely, lovely colour as well. Then we got this CP Company goggle zip hoodie, and this one's in a light blue colour. It's actually tagged a 2XL, but it's only 24 pit to pit. I like to get a good gist of the size by trying it on when it's this kind of size, because then I can give people the best advice. Yeah, it's long. It's a long piece. You can't even see. Look, I move that. Look, it's a very long piece. So it's 2XL, I'd say, in length, but around the chest it's definitely not. It's definitely only 24 pit to pit, so it's going to be fitting an XL, to be honest with you. But if you're an XL looking for like a nice spacious zip hoodie, that could be the one for you. All of our stock will be at clobberisland.co.uk. You guys probably already know it by now. I've seen a lot of you guys over there, and I've seen you guys ordering, so I do appreciate every single one of you. I appreciate all your orders. I'm trying to get more and more stock for you guys, and try and get a variety of different things. I do appreciate all of you that are checking out my site, and you guys that are buying. I really, really do appreciate it. Up next, we've got this beautiful stone/sandy colour full zip Stone Island jumper, and this one is in a 3XL, and it's 27 pit to pit, and it is absolutely stunning. I absolutely love the colour of that one. Then we got this CP Company hoodie. This one hasn't got the goggles, it's got the lens on the arm. Nice grey colour, full zip. We got two of these. We got an XL and a large, and I'm pretty sure these are both very generous and true to size. Then up next, we got this beautiful black knitted CP Company quarter zip jumper. Really, really nice, soft material, pitch black as well. Very, very smart. It's an XL, 24 pit to pit. I know for a fact this one ain't gonna be hanging around very long. So if you guys have already missed it, make sure you go follow me on Instagram at Clobber Island. Also, if you click on the links, you can join the early access WhatsApp chat. That's where all the stock goes straight away. So if you guys are seeing these videos going, oh, I wish I got that piece, go into my Instagram, get in that group, then you can see the stock as soon as it lands, and then you could be the first one to buy it. Up next, one of my favorite pieces of the drop, this micro twill khaki jacket. This one's a 2XL, and it's 26 pit to pit, and oh my god, isn't it a thing of beauty? The texture, the shine, the materials, Absolutely beautiful jacket. Genuinely, I think if it was my size, I would have found it very, very hard not to keep this one. I absolutely loved it from the moment I saw it. So yeah, again, that's 26 pit to pit 2XL, and it's just absolutely stunning. Up next, we've got this CP Company knitted full zip jacket. Again, look how beautiful this is. It's like creamy beige color. It's nice and thick material. This one again is in an XL. Then we got this sort of sagey green Stone Island quarter zip knit. It's definitely that kind of season, isn't it? We're getting the knits in right now as it starts to get a little bit cold. Although today in Essex it is boiling, so English weather is mental. So you got to make sure you have a bit of everything, because you never know what the English weather's going to do. But yeah, this is like a sagey green quarter zip Stoney. This one's a 3XL. But I think it's only about 25.5 pit to pit, so I think it would fit a 2XL probably better, because you know how the knits come up, they come up a bit tight sometimes. Not all the time. We're finding knits and they're coming out true to size or a little bit bigger, but this one is definitely a smaller 3XL, so I would say yeah, potentially a 2XL. Make sure you're checking those pit to pits. Then up next we got this Cupro cotton twill smock in this lovely khaki color, and this one again is a 3XL and it's 29 pit to pit. Look at the color of that, absolutely beautiful. Again, the materials, the shade, the way the light shines off of it, absolutely beautiful, and the detailing is insane. And it's got a hood as well. Really, really nice, cool smock. Up next, a very, very cool piece. This is called a nylon Smerigliato ghost piece. Should we call it a smeg? This is a Stone Island smeg gilet. No, it's got Primaloft insulated, and this is new season. I don't know if you guys have seen these on the website. These literally come out, I think, like they came out earlier this year. It's got the Stone Island badge on the front there. It's a ghost. It's absolutely stunning. It's Primaloft insulated. It's a large, I think it's 23 pit to pit. But yeah, my supplier is getting in some really, really nice stuff, especially the new season stuff. Absolutely loving it at the moment. There's some really cool stuff coming through. Up next, a CP Company baby blue XL hoodie. It's the resist dyed version, and it's really, really nice soft cotton material, and it's in like a lovely baby blue. Up next, we've got this Stone Island grey full zip track top, and this one is in a 2XL, and I believe the pit to pit in this is about 25.5 pit to pit. Really nice and soft. Absolutely love it when they come brand new. But yeah, that's absolutely gorgeous. Love the colour on that one as well. Then we've got this Stone Island garment dyed crinkle reps jacket. This one's in a silver grey colour. It's new season as well. I'm loving the detailing they're putting on the new stuff. Now I've saved the best few for last. We've got this Stone Island weatherproof overshirt. This one's a size small, and it's like navy black. Feels like it's the Ghosto Ventile material as well. When it says weatherproof, I think it means that it's not going to be waterproof, but it will be all right if it starts raining a little bit. If it's windy, it'll be windproof, that kind of thing. So yeah, really, really nice thick overshirt. It's a size small. I think it's 20.5 pit to pit, so potentially could fit a medium, as you know they do come quite big, the ghosts. Then we've got another one in this lovely grey colour. Stone Island are absolutely loving this grey colour at the moment, and I must say I'm loving it as well. This one's a medium, and it's 21.5 pit to pit, exactly the same as the other model. Weatherproof, just all round very, very smart jackets. I'm going to try it on. I doubt it's going to fit me, but let's see what we can do. I'm 23 pit to pit, and this is 21.5. As you can see, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. I wear large, so I definitely think potentially this is a medium. If you're a skinny large, might be all right. But if you're a bigger medium, it'd be all right as well. But how fucking nice does that look, boys? That's unreal, isn't it? Retail on these is over £700. I've done what I can price-wise. I can't get to half price, but there's still a massive chunk off there on the website for you. Some top quality bits I get charged more, so I have to make my margins, you know what I mean? But I always try what I can, you know that. Up next, we've got this full zip Stone Island ghost jacket as well, and this one is in a medium, but again, like I say, could potentially fit a skinny large. So I think this one's about 22 pit to pit. Yeah, look at that. It's a bit small for me, but like I say, I'm on the bigger side of large, sometimes even XL. But as you know, the ghost stuff does come up big, so definitely could probably fit a large. It's absolutely beautiful, isn't it? What an absolute stunner. I did also have some other bits in that drop that we used, but they've come and they've got a little mark on them, and I've had to sort some stuff out, so they haven't been able to be in this video. But that's just what it's like in the life of a reseller. I'm trying to get stuff ready for videos, doesn't always work out that way. So it's just one of them, but they will be on the website, or they will potentially be coming in the next drop video I do for you guys. So you will see them, and if you haven't seen them, just make sure you head over to the website, clobberisland.co.uk, or my Instagram, and make sure you get in that early access WhatsApp chat, because that's where you're gonna see stuff as soon as it comes in. But that was all the new stuff. I think there's some absolute beauties in there. Do you agree with me? Which one was your favorite? Do you love the new ghost stuff? I think it looks so nice. But yeah, I want to say as well, I appreciate all of you subscribing lately. The subscriber numbers are flying up. You guys are absolutely smashing it. I'm going to stay as consistent as I can. Every Monday I'll be here unless unforeseen circumstances, but I'm going to keep being here every single Monday at 6 p.m. So make sure you guys subscribe, hit the like button for me. It does me absolute wonders. Let me know which item was your favorite, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.